Oh, not so cheap food, high protein pancakes, 350 calories, 42 grams of protein, 22 grams of carbs. So delicious and nutritious. Check that out. Oh my goodness. You want to find out how to do it? Keep watching this video. Make sure to follow, subscribe. Stay right here. Oh. Your not so cheap food protein pancakes. Now this is very simple. Now you can use full eggs for this. You can use just egg whites, but the only ingredients that you need are either liquid egg whites, your regular eggs, organic, not organic. It really doesn't matter. And some protein powder. I've got InnoSups Hot Cocoa Crunch, delicious. And I'm going to add some frozen blueberries. We're gonna make our own little, not so cheat food syrup. And a sugar-free syrup here, which this has 10 calories for 2 tablespoons. Okay, now what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to take 1 large egg. So this is 70 calories. I'm gonna crack this. Make sure you actually wash your hands. And proper hygiene, that's a good thing, everybody. If you see somebody cooking your food and they're not washing their hands, gross. Okay. We got that. Now from here, we're gonna take our liquid egg whites. I have a scale. Now you can use tablespoons. So you're serving a liquid egg whites is generally 3 tablespoons for 20 calories, and that's gonna be 5 grams of protein. So that's 45 grams if you're using a scale. I'm gonna do about 120 grams here, and then I'm gonna add my protein powder. We're looking for consistency in your batter. Okay, so I got about 120 grams right there. Now a little pro tip, I actually like taking the syrup and just doing a little dash, little splash, oh, right in there. Then from that, I'm going to zero out my scale here. I'm gonna take a serving size of protein powder. So this is gonna be 1 scoop or about 39.5 grams. And here's a little tip as well. And when you look at protein powder and you scoop and you dig it in there and you think, oh, that's 1 serving, often it's gonna be much more because you compacted it down. So I even like when I do protein shakes to actually measure it out. Because this right here, 1 scoop, right? So that should be 39.5 grams. That's 37 grams. Off a little bit, but these little things and those details truly do matter. All right, so I'm gonna take that. We're going to whisk this together. In the meantime, I'm going to heat up my pan. Now you wanna have a hot pan first so your protein pancakes don't spill. Now the runnier consistency, the thinner pancake you're gonna have, and it's a little bit thicker, well, then you're gonna have a little bit more dense of a pancake. You can also add oats to this. I've done rice as well. So now I've got that mixed up. I'm gonna take my avocado oil spray, 0 calories. I wanna give that pan a nice coating. It should cover the whole pan there. Okay, pan's heated up and we're going to add that. Now you can simply cover this whole pan and make a bigger pancake, or you can do smaller ones. I like making things easy, so I'm gonna cover most of the pan. It may get a little messy, but that's okay. So we're gonna cover the pan right there. Boom. So this is gonna make about 2 pancakes. As I said, you can do smaller ones. If you're adding oats to it, you're adding quinoa, rice, something like that, then it's going to be a little bit thicker. And you can make those small pancakes. So what I'm looking for here is the bubble to start happening, because you don't want to flip these when it's all runny like that. Okay, so now a good way to check if it's ready to be flipped is here. Move it around. Oh, look at that. And I'm not gonna flip it. What do you think I was gonna flip it? No, that's gonna be a huge mess. I'm not a professional chef. This is just meathead food right here. Okay, so what I like to do when I'm flipping my pseudo pancakes is you can have a spoon ready to go, or let's see if we can actually do this without breaking it. It's not gonna be pretty. It's okay. Come on, come on, come on. No. Hold on. We're gonna do another trick. We're gonna slide it on there. Boom. Cool. Ready for it? Oh, snap. I've never tried that before. That actually worked. So there's our pancake, and that's pretty much cooked. I'm a big fan of cinnamon. Great for glycemic control too, if you're worried about that. We just do a little dusting, a little powder, a little pinch, a little twinkle, a little sizzle, and maybe a little bit of salt. Oh, salt. Wait, is that Salt Bay guy? That kind of, we got it. Did you get it? Okay. I don't think I made any in the pan. I'm gonna add it to my plate. Oh, snap. Done. Your second pancake is going to cook probably a little bit faster since the pan is fully heated up. Now sometimes I'll add different things to this. I'll add some collagen, some powdered peanut butter, quite delicious. Or you want to get a little crazy, you can just add a little extra syrup to it. Oh. Hello, baby. There it is. See? Yes. Okay, we're just gonna go with it. You got that? That was on camera, that was recorded. Say, Joey, I mean, these are pancakes, bro. I need some syrup. Yes, you need syrup. Yes, this is low calorie syrup, but often these have some sugar alcohols, allulose, anything added to that. And if you have a lot of it, sometimes people can get digestive distress. So I like making as sweet and as healthy or not so sweet food options for syrup as possible. So I take my pancake, I put it on there. Now, these are called blueberries, everybody, and they're frozen. And yes, they're just as nutritious frozen or fresh. And I take my frozen blueberries and hopefully the fire alarm doesn't go on because I've set it off before. The pan is already hot. I add the frozen blueberries to it, a nice liquid. Then from here, I take my sugar-free syrup and we dump that on there. Not so cheap food, high protein pancakes, 350 calories, 42 grams of protein, 22 grams of carbs. So delicious.